Off-grid, but make it boss level. Renogy 3000W Pure Sine Inverter that slaps the grid in the face. Welcome to the big leagues of off-grid power, where your gadgets run smoother, your campsite becomes a command center, and your blender actually blends. The Renogy 3000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter isn't your average juice box, it's a 6000 watts peak power beast disguised as a polished, professional power converter. Whether you're kicking it in a cabin, ruling the RV roads, or just want to be the boss of blackouts, this inverter delivers ultra-clean 120-volt AC juice with over 90% efficiency and none of the buzz. Smooth, quiet, and cooler than your uncle's '72 Camaro. It's not just powerful, it's smarter than your average bear. With GFCI protection, LED diagnostics, and built-in safety features for over/under voltage, temp spikes, and short circuits, Renogy made sure you stay lit and protected. Unlike shady off-brand wannabes that fry your electronics like bacon, this pure sine wave tech safeguards your sensitive devices, laptops, tablets, DSLR cameras, pumps, anything you love. The result? Your electronics last longer, work better, and sound quieter. Power your gear without the anxiety of the next weird hum or overheating meltdown. 3 AC outlets, a hardwire terminal, and a USB port that actually charges stuff fast. This inverter is the Swiss Army knife of DC to AC conversion. Whether you're in the backwoods or the back of your van, the 16.4 feet remote control lets you power up without crawling into weird spaces. With its UL 458 and CSA certification, rugged metal housing, and whisper quiet fans, it's built like a tank but acts like a Tesla, refined, reliable, and ready to roll. Think of the money you'll save skipping noisy generators, low-efficiency clunkers, or those $80 backups that die after 2 weekends. The Renogy 3000W isn't just an inverter, it's an investment in peace of mind, energy freedom, and electrical elegance. Run your off-grid kingdom with confidence, power your tools, charge your tech, or run a fridge without flinching. It's basically a utility company in a box, but way sexier and way quieter. So go ahead, ditch the noise, kill the buzz, and bring luxury-level AC power wherever life takes you. Whether it's a mountain, a motorhome, or your doomsday bunker, the Renogy 3000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter is your all-access pass to full-throttle, grid-free glory. You're not just buying an inverter, you're buying the right to live unplugged like a legend.